Number 5th, that is multiplication by 11 series. So please open page number 50. Let us take an example. (41 into 22). This is multiplication by 11 series. So let us take a question from multiplication by 11. We recall it. If we are doing multiplication by 11, so our process is we can write first digit as it is. Can we say first digit into 1? 1 into 1 is 1. Then we add these two digits. 4 plus 1 is 5 and we paste it. But 5 into 1, that means 5. Then last digit as it is. Or 4 into 1, that means 4. So let's see this example. 41 into 22. Last digit as it is. But in place of 1, here is 2. So 1 into 2, 2. Add these two digits. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5 into 1, that means 5. So here is 2. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 into 2 is 10. That means we can write here 0 and 1 is carry forward. Again 4 into 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So our final answer is 902. Let's check this question by Navanga. That is 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 into 4 is 20. That means 2 plus 0 is 2. Here we can ignore 9 and 0. So 0 plus 2 is 2. It shows our answer is correct. Let's take one more example. 65 into 55. So last digit multiply by this digit. 5 into 5 gives 25. That means we can write here 5 and carry forward 2. Then add these two digits. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 into 5, 55, and we already have plus 2. 55 plus 2 is 57. That means we can write here 7 and plus 5 carry forward. Then 6 5s are 30 plus 5 35. So our answer is 3575. Let's take one more example. 704 into 44. Upper digit is a 3-digit number, but process will be same. Last digit into 4. 4 into 4, 16. That means we can write here 6, carry forward 1. Then add these two digits. 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is again 4. 4 into 4, 16. Plus 1, 17. That means we can write here 7 and 1 is carry forward. Then add these two digits. 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 is 7 into 4, 28. And we have plus 1. 28 plus 1, 29. That means we can write here 9 plus 2 carry forward. Then last digit into 4. 7 into 4, 28 plus 2, 30. That means we can write here 30. One more example. 5436 into 77. Again 7 is here and it's a 4-digit number, but process will be same. 6 into 7, 42. That means we can write here 2 and plus 4 carry forward. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 sevens are 63 plus 4, 67. That means we can write here 7 and plus 6 carry forward. Then 3 plus 4, 7 into 7, 49, 49 plus 6, 55. That means we can write here 5 and plus 5, carry forward. Then 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 into 7, 63, 63 plus 5, 68. That means we can write here 8 and plus 6, carry forward. Then 5 into 7, 35, 35 plus 6, 41. So our final answer is this. Please solve entire questions of this week and including homework. If you get any difficulty, so please refer our website. Please open page number 62. In this page there are mental sums. So let's solve sums mentally. Our first question is 15 into 22. Our process is 5 2s are 10, 0 will be here and 1 will be carried forward. Then 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, plus 1 is 13, 3 will be here and 1 will be carried forward. 2 1s are 2, plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 330. Let's take another sum. 331 into 33. Our process is 3 into 1 is 3. Then 1 plus 3 is 4 into 3 is 12. That means 2 will be here and 1 will be carried forward. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 is 19. That means 9 will be here and 1 will be carried forward. Then 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. That means our answer is 10923. Let's take one more sum. 3251 into 22. Process is 1 into 2 is 2. 5 plus 1 is 6 into 2 is 12. 2 will be here and 1 will be carried forward. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15. 5 will be here, 1 will be carried forward. 3 plus 2 is 5 into 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 will be here and 1 will be carried forward. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So our final answer is 71522. Please solve entire sums mentally. In case of difficulty, you may refer our website. On this page, there is a puzzle also. To get the solution of puzzle, please refer our website. So friends, please one thing you have to note that in this week we use the sub sutra, that is Antar Yorep, that means only the last 2 digits. Hello friends, now we are starting week 6. In week 6, we will use the Sub-Sutra Antadash KP. Antadash KP when last digits add up to 10. This is called Antyog. Let's take an example. 12 into 18. Our process is Antyog. Antyog, that means the sum of the digits at unit place is 10. We can see 2 plus 8 is 10 and digits at tens place are equal. So process will be 2 into 8, that is 16, and this digit is 1, so we multiply 1 by its consecutive number. So consecutive number of 1 is 2, that means 1 into 2 is 2. Since it is a special case, so we write 2 into 8 is 16. So we have to write here 16, our 2-digit number. We cannot write it 6 here and 1 is carry forward because it is a special case. Let's take few more examples. Our question is 19 into 11. We can see sum of the digits at unit place is 9 plus 1, that is 10, and digits at tens place are equal 1 and 1. Our process is we have to multiply these two digits. That means 9 into 1. 9 into 1 is 9. It's a single digit, but it is a special case. We have to write here two digit number. So 9 into 1 is 9. So we can write it 09. It's a two digit number. Again 1, we have to multiply this 1 by its consecutive number, that is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. So our final answer is 209. Let's check it by Navanga. This is 1. We can ignore 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. From here 2. That means our answer is correct. Let's take another example. 114 into 116. We can check the sum of digits at unit place is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Now multiply it. 4 into 6, that is 24. This 11 we can consider as a single digit. 11. So we can multiply it by its consecutive number, that is 12. Then multiply it 11 into 12. 11 into 12 gives 132. Let's check this question by Navanga. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. This is 8. 6 into 8 is 48. That means 12. 3. 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. We can cancel it. So we have only 3. That means our answer is correct. Please solve entire sums of this page. If you get any difficulties, please refer. Please open page number 65. Here, this is Arambhyog. Let's take an example. 46 into 66. We can see the sum of the first digits is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10, and the digits at last are common. So process is 4 into 6. 4 into 6 is 24, and we have to add this 6 in 24. So 4 into 6 is 24 plus 6 is 30. This is 30, and multiply these two digits, that is 6. 6 into 6 is 36. So our final answer is 3036. It is again a special case, so we have to multiply these two digits, and multiplication should be in a two digit number. So 6 into 6 is 36. Let's take another example. 74 into 34. Here we can see sum of the first digits 7 and 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, and last digits are equal. So process is 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. This is 25, and multiplication of these two digits 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 60. So our final answer is 2516. Please solve entire sums of this page. In this page you will get the problems of depending on Antayog or Arambhyog. So you have to solve these problems by both the process. Please open page number 67. Here we will solve the sum based on multiplication by 111. So let's take an example. Our question is 339 into 111. For solving this, we have to write last number is as it is. Then sum of these two numbers, 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Then sum of these three numbers, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. That means we can write here 15. Then sum of last two numbers, 3 plus 3 is 6. Then first number as it is. We have to convert this answer. So this is 9. Then we can write 2 and 1 is carry forward. 15 plus 1 is 16. So we can write here 6. 1 is carry forward. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 3. So our final answer is 3, 7, 6, 2, 9. Let's take one more example. 521 into 111. Process is write last number as it is. That means 1. Then sum of these two numbers. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then sum of these three numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then sum of these two numbers, 5 plus 2 is 7. Then write first number as it is. So our final answer is 57831. Let us see few more examples. Our question is 36 into 111. It's a 3-digit number, so we can make it number is 3-digit because it was a 2-digit number. So 036 is a 3-digit number. Our process is write last number as it is, that means 6. Sum of these two numbers, 6 plus 3 is 9. Then sum of these three numbers, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 0 is again 9. Then sum of these two numbers, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3 is 3. Then write first number as it is, that means 0. If we don't write it, so our answer is 3996. Let's take another example. 469 into 111. Our process is write last number as it is, that means 9. Then sum of these two numbers, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. So we can write 5 and 1 is carry forward. Then sum of these three numbers, so 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19 and we already have plus 1, that means 20. So 0 is here and 2 is carry forward. Then sum of these two numbers, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. That means we can write 2 here and 1 is carry forward. Then last number as it is, but we have 1 carry. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So our final answer is 52059. Please solve entire sums of this page and please solve entire sums of this whole week including homework till page number 72, and on page number 73 there is a puzzle. You have to solve it on your own. If you get any difficulty, so please refer our website. Week 7th. You must complete whole exercise of previous week before starting this week. So please open page number 74. In this week we learn the more base model and the subsutra will be used. Anurupe, that is proportionality. So let's take an example. 14 into 12. Our process is called more base model. So let's start. If we take base of 14 is 10, so excess will be 4, and if we take base of 12 is 10, so excess is 2. Our process is, firstly we have to multiply these two x's. So 4 into 2 is 8. Then add the x's to the other number, that is 12 plus 4 or 14 plus 2. Both the cases we are getting 16. So our final answer is 168. Let's take one more example. 36 into 34. If we are taking base of 36 is 30, that means our excess is 6. And if base of 34 is 30, so excess is 4. Our base is 3. Our process is, we have to multiply the excess, that means 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24, that means 4 is here and 2 is carry forward. Then add the excess to the other number. So 66 plus 34. 6 plus 34 is 40 and our base is 30. So we have to multiply this 40 by 3. 40 into 3, that means 120, and we have 2 carry over, that means 122. So our final answer is 1224. Let's solve. Let's check this problem by Navanga. So 6 plus 3 is 9. That means no meaning. Into 7, it will be 9. Then 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. That means our answer is correct. Please solve entire sums of page number 74 and 75. If you get any difficulty, so please refer our website. Please open page number 77. Let us take a question from this page. 101 into 108. This is the problem of based on base 100. So if we are taking base of 101 is 100, so excess is 1. And for 108, excess is 8. Our process is multiply the excess. So 8 into 1 is 8, but we will write 08 because in 100 there are 2 zeros. So last digit should be a 2-digit number. So we will write it 08. Then add the excess to the other number. So 1 plus 108 is 109. We can check from here. 101 plus 8 is 109. So our answer is 10908. Let's take another example. 432 into 402. If we are taking base of 432 is 400, that means excess is 32. And in case of 402, excess is 2. Our process is multiply the excess. 64. Then add the excess to the other number. That means 32 plus 402. That means 434. Since base is 400, that means we have to multiply it by 4. So 434 into 4. So our final answer is 173664. Let's check it by Navanga. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and into 6, that means there will be no meaning. 9 into 6, something will be 9. Let's check from here. 6 plus 3 cancel. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 7 17 plus 8 plus 1, that is 18. again 9. That means our answer is correct. Please solve entire sums of this page. If you get any difficulty, so please refer our website. Please open page number 79. In this page, all the questions are based on base 1000 to 8000. Let's take few examples. Our question is multiply 1032 by 1006. If we are taking base of 1032 is 1000, so our excess is 32, and in case of 1006 our excess is 6. Our process is multiply the excess. That means 32 into 6. That means 192. In 1000, number of zeros are 3. That means our multiplication should be a 3-digit number. Then add the excess to the other number. That means 32 plus 1006. That means 1038. Since base of 1006 and 1032 is 1000, so we have to write 1 here and we have to multiply 1038 into 1. That means it will be 1038. So our final answer is 1038192. Let's take one more example. 5018 multiplied by 5008. If we are taking base of 5018 is 5000, so our excess is 18. And in case of 5008, excess is 8. First step, multiply the excess. That means 18 into 8. 18 into 8 is 144. Then add the excess to the other number. So 5008 plus 18 5026. Then our base is 5000. That means we have to multiply it by 5. So our final answer is 25130,144. Let's check it by Navanga. So 5 plus 9, that means 5. Then 5 plus 8 is 13. That means 4. 5 4s are 20. That means 2. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 1, 8. Plus 3, 11. That means 2. It shows our answer is correct. Please solve entire sums of this page. Please open page number 93. In this page, all the sums are based on base 1000 to 8000. So let's take some examples. Our first question is multiply 999 by 998. Since 999 is 1000 minus 1, that means this is 1, and 998 is 1000 minus 2. So it will be 2. Then multiply 1 into 2 is 2. Since this is 1000 minus 1 and 1000 minus 2, so last digit should be a 3-digit number. That means 002. Then subtract 1 from 998 or subtract 2 from 999, we will get 997. And base of 999 and 998 is 1000. So 9 is 1000 minus 1. That means this is 1. And 998 is 1000 minus 2. So it will be 2. Then multiply 1 into 2 is 2. Since this is 1000 minus 1 and 1000 minus 2, so last digit should be a 3-digit number. That means 002. Then subtract 1 from 998 or subtract 2 from 999, we will get 997. And base of 999 and 998 is 1000. So 997 into 1 is 997. So our answer is 997002. Let's take one more question. 7999 into 7998. 7999 is 8000 minus 1. That means base is 8 and this is 1. And 7998 is 8000 minus 2. That means this is 2. Multiply 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2, but it should be a 3-digit number. Then 7999 minus 2 is 7997, or 7998 minus 1 is 7997, and we have to multiply it by 8. So 7997 multiplied by 8. So our answer is 63976,002. Please solve entire sums of this page. In case of difficulty, you may refer our website. Please open page number 101. There is mental exercise. So let's solve some examples. Our question is 19 into 18 and we have to solve it mentally. Base of 19 is 20 and complement is 1. Base of 18 is 20 and complement is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2 and 19 minus 2 is 17 into 2 is 34. So our answer is 342. Let's take another question. 1996 into 1998. Base of 1996 is 2000 and base of 1998 is 2000. Complement of 1996 is 4 and complement of 1998 is 2. Then 4 2s are 8, but we need a 3-digit number, so 008. Then 1996 minus 2 is 1994 into 2 is 3988. So our answer is 3988008. Please solve entire sums mentally. In case of difficulty, you may refer our website. In this page, there is a puzzle. To get the solution of puzzle,